Sometimes in life, we don't realize how powerful a single decision can be. One step, one choice, one sincere intention, it can change the entire direction of your life. Allah reminds us in the Qur'an that He does not change the condition of a people until they change what is within themselves. That means the very moment you decide to turn back to Allah, to leave a bad habit, to take the path of goodness, your destiny begins to transform. Think about it. How many times have we delayed making a good decision, telling ourselves, I'll start tomorrow, I'll pray later, I'll change one day, but tomorrow never comes? My dear brother, my dear sister, what if today is the day? What if one decision right now can open doors of mercy, rizq, peace, and success you never imagined? One decision to pray Fajr on time. One decision to put down the haram and walk toward halal. One decision to forgive someone, to let go of hatred, to clean your heart. One decision to trust Allah fully, even when life feels heavy. The Prophet told us that Allah is more happy with the repentance of His servant than a traveler who finds his lost camel in the desert. Imagine, one decision to turn back to Him brings you closer than years of neglect ever could. So don't underestimate the power of a single choice. It doesn't matter how far you've gone, how many mistakes you've made, or how dark your past looks. Allah's mercy is greater than all of it. But it starts with you deciding, I will change. I will rise. I will live for Allah. My friend, one decision can shape your future in dunya and akhirah. Don't wait, because your destiny is waiting for you to choose the right path today.